me to put all of it in? Yeah.
A volcano is a rupture in the Earth's crust that allows molten lava and hot gases to escape to the surface. The Earth's crust is made up of many rigid plates known as tectonic plates. These sit on a layer of softer rock known as the mantle. Although the temperature of the upper mantle is hot enough to melt rock, it usually remains solid because of the tremendous pressure placed on it by the overlaying surface rocks. Rocks under pressure require much higher temperatures to melt than rocks that are not under pressure. Where tectonic plates come together, weak spots can occur. This can relieve some of the pressure on the mantle and allow it to melt and form magma. The magma can then rise through the weak spots and erupt to the surface. This is why volcanoes most often occur where tectonic plates come together. To get our volcano to erupt, we use baking powder and then add vinegar. The baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, reacts with the vinegar, which is acetic acid, and yields sodium acetate, which is a salt, and water and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is a gas, and that's what you see bubbling in the liquid here. This liquid and gas builds up pressure inside our model until it pushes the liquid out of the volcano, much like a real eruption.